Hey guys, Flip Man and Brittany here, Airbnb number 9. This was the Hoarders house you guys saw about 2 weeks ago. So 1,100 square feet, Mesa. It should take us about 3-4 weeks to get this up and running. It's a bread and butter one. Pretty easy peasy remodel. We got a brand new kitchen coming, new cabinets, new countertops, all new vinyl flooring, new windows. So over here are the 2 bedrooms, 2 bedroom, 1 bath. All new floorings going in here, new windows in the bedrooms, and new bathroom cabinets in this 1 bath.
Okay guys, here's the bathroom. Now this is a 2-bed, 1-bath home, and as you can see, it's extremely outdated. So to bring it up to the modern 2020-21, we're going to take all this out. Everything's leaving. We're going to add some pendant lighting. We're going to replace the cabinetry. We're actually going to shift the sink a little more to the middle to open up the cabinet and counter space. And then we're going to do a complete reno here. We're going to replace the bathroom, replace the fixtures, even the windows, and remove the attached feature here, replace the toilet, and the vinyl flooring is actually going to be all throughout, so we're not going to do tile here just because it makes everything a little more cohesive. And then everything else as far as standard fixtures we'll just replace because the placement is actually pretty good despite it being older. Alright, so what I chose for the flooring in this unit is going to be your vinyl weatherproof flooring, premium luxury vinyl. And what we're going to do is do a dark lay so that it contrasts with the bright walls. And they're coming in to do measurements tomorrow, so we'll actually have that come in really quickly as far as turnaround time goes. And then after that point, we can actually start on the walls and get the paint done.
Just want to share with you guys a little bit about the process. This is a bread and butter reno, which means it's a quick in and out, no permits or anything, about 4 weeks. And I use about 8 different vendors or subcontractors. Got my flooring guys, got my drywall guys, got my cabinet guys, got my countertop. So variety of subcontractors. I manage the process and save thousands versus using a contractor.
So this is the Hoarders house's backyard. So our plan here, as you can see, is in pretty tough shape. So the plan is to actually completely remove all the dead shrubbery, get rid of some of the desert motif, and replace it with some greenery and give a little more life to the concept. And what are your thoughts on this too, Flip?
Just gonna make it warm and homey and very chill in the backyard, bunch of games. We're excited. It's a nice sized backyard, so it should be right on.
Yeah, I actually love this space because we have so much room to work with. That's one of the bonus features of this home.